What's up mga ka-airdrop and welcome back sa ating channel, ang Crypto Whisperer PH. So for today's video guys is magdi-discuss muna tayo at mag-share tayo ng mga ilang upcoming event dito sa crypto space, lalo na specifically this coming Friday. Yan ay this March 7. Yun nga guys, ay kung hindi nyo pa alam, ay nagkaroon ng announcement si Donald Trump na magkakaroon ng meeting regarding sa crypto summit guys, no? So napakagandang balita nito sa crypto space dahil magkakaroon na ng kalinawan or mga positive, hopefully positive ang kanilang madidiscuss this coming Friday guys, no, regarding sa crypto. So ano ba ang mga positive effect nito this coming Friday? So pag-uusapan din natin yan, and ang kanyang mga current attendees, yung mga kanyang inimbitahan para dito sa crypto summit guys, no. So i-share natin yan dito, and ano ang epekto nito para kay Pi Network token guys, no. So kung gusto mo malaman at interesado kang malaman ang mga iba't ibang updates kagaya nito guys, is huwag mo kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-like ang mga videos na sinishare natin kagaya nito. So mag-proceed na nga muna tayo guys to the crypto summit guys, no. So una muna nating i-discuss kung ano ba ang mga potential topics na madidiscuss this coming Friday sa crypto summit guys, no. So nagkaroon tayo ng mga konting research. So unang-una na dyan, I think confirm na ito yung US Crypto Strategic Reserve. In-announce na rin mismo ni Trump guys, no, under I think hindi siya sa X, so I think ibang platform siya nag-announce regarding this, at nagkaroon nga agad to ng good pump guys, no. So I think hindi ko na maalala kung anong araw yon, pero nagkaroon ng pump yung mga crypto tokens na kanyang binanggit, no. So nandyan na nga unang-una si BTC and Ethereum, XRP, Solana and Cardano. So yan yung mga unang tokens na binanggit sa Crypto Strategic Reserve guys, no. Sa tingin mo guys, mapapasama ba si Pi Network token sa US Crypto Strategic Reserve? So comment mo dyan sa baba guys kung ano ang sa tingin mo mangyayari kay Pi Network after ng Crypto Summit guys, no. So pangalawang possible topics na kanilang di-discuss is yung clarification of regulatory frameworks. Ayun nga, so the summit is expected to address the development of clear and comprehensive regulatory guidelines for digital assets. Magandang balita rin to guys, no. Kapag mas nagkaroon ng magandang regulatory is mas mabilis ang pag-adapt ng iba't ibang bansa once na i-finalize or may discuss nila ng maayos itong crypto summit guys, no. So regarding na dito sa kanilang regulatory framework, so this move seeks to provide a stable environment that encourage innovation while safeguarding investors, addressing long-standing challenge of regulatory ambiguity in the crypto space. Pangatlong possible topic or issue na kanilang di-discuss is yung potential tax incentives for cryptocurrency investments. From the word SEP itself guys, another good news yan, syempre automatic yan guys, no. So tax incentives for cryptocurrency investments, so mas magkakaroon ng magandang vision ang mga potential investors for cryptocurrency guys, no. And then next is inclusion of additional cryptocurrencies in the strategic reserve. So ito nga guys ang tanong ngayon, kung ano pang mga ibang cryptocurrency ang pwedeng masali dito kay US Strategic Reserve guys, no. So kung naniniwala ka na masasali si Pi token or Pi Network coin dito sa US Strategic Reserve guys, is mag-comment ka lang dyan ng Pi coin to the moon. Then proceed tayo guys sa kanilang potential last topic. Potential topic guys is promotion of blockchain innovation and adaptation guys, no. So this summit aims to foster the growth of domestic blockchain companies, ensuring that American enterprise lead the next wave of financial and technological innovation. The initiative is expected to create high-tech jobs and reinforce country's leadership in decentralized finance, smart contracts, and digital assets management. So yan ang mga potential na pag-usapan nila this coming Friday guys, no. So sino-sino nga ba ang mga inimbitahan ni Donald Trump para sa kanyang crypto summit? So nagkaroon tayo ng list dyan guys. So ito, nasa na ba yan? So dyan, so unang-una na dyan, I'm sure kilala nyo na siya kung kayo ay nasa crypto space guys, ay si Michael Saylor guys, no. So MicroStrategy CEO. So ang kanyang current major token holdings is BTC, guys, no? And then nandyan si Bo Hines, Executive Director of Presidential Council of Advisors for Digital Assets. So ito yung mga current major token hold niya. So BTC, Trump, RTR. And then andyan din si David Sachs, so CryptoZar, and White House AI. Yan, BTC, ETH, Sol, then David Bailey, so Bitcoin Magazine CEO. So of course BTC yung kanya major holdings. Then si Matt Huang, so Paradigm, so Ethereum Layer 2 and DeFi, so Uni, Comp, Optimism, Blur, and si Kyle Samani. So makikita nyo guys yung mga kanilang mga token na major token hold. So more on Deepin ito guys, si Kyle Samani. So hopefully para sa mga Deepin project natin na ginagrind is magkaroon din ng magandang balita guys, no? Then si Zach Witkoff, co-founder of World Liberty Financial, so of course Aave, and Ondo Trump. Yan. And then si Sergey Nazarov, Real World Assets and Oracles, so Link. Then Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong, at Sold and Base. And then si Vlad, so Robinhood CEO guys, sa meme coin trading compliance. So parang may mga iba't iba silang kung napapansin nyo guys, no? So may mga iba't iba silang area of expertise. So Doge and Shiba. Then Kraken CEO, so staking services naman siya, and derivatives compliance, and Ethereum major holdings, and JP Richardson, and so ito ay under wallet, so Exodus. So ito pa lang yung mga list of confirmed attendees for this crypto summit guys, no, this coming Friday. And hopefully ay madagdagan pa yan, and expect natin na magkakaroon ng magandang epekto ito for cryptocurrency space this coming Friday guys, no? So kung may mga naka-hold kayo, especially doon sa limang unang binanggit natin guys na crypto token like BTC, ETH, XRP, and Solana, and Cardano guys, is expect to magkaroon ng good pump this coming Friday guys, no? So hopefully panalangin natin yan guys, no? So pero bago ang lahat guys is check na muna natin ang current price ni Pi ngayon. So for today is 1.8, so currently 108 pesos ang isang Pi token guys, and nakikita natin currently is guys, no, medyo nagkakaroon lang ng side by side or parang accumulation dito guys kay Pi guys, no? So titingnan natin ulit to this Friday, which is Sabado na yan dito sa Pilipinas guys, no? Kung magkakaroon ba ng big pump. So hopefully yung mga inyong holdings ay bantayan nyo lang guys. And ayun lang, kung nagustuhan mo ang ating video for today is don't forget to give it a like at mag-subscribe ka na rin para lagi kang updated sa ating mga future videos. So kung nagustuhan mo guys is mag-comment ka lang dyan, and see you sa next video guys. Peace!